Hello guys, in this video I'll be doing a quick reminder of the Optimism quest. The quest is still ongoing, and if you have not done that, it's still ongoing. There's still time for you to do it. And the quest, once you perform any of the tasks, you stand a chance of earning a particular NFT. And those NFTs now, once the task is done correctly and you complete each of the quiz that will be asked, and there is no failing in these quiz questions. If you fail, if you didn't get it correctly, you will be given the opportunity to do it again until you pass it. So there are some information you read and you answer the questions that will be given. If you have not watched my video where I do a step-to-step guide on how you can carry out this quest, it's still on my YouTube channel. I will implore you to watch that video for better understanding. Now I have performed, as you can see on the screen here, out of the 18 tasks, I've been able to do 5 successfully. And let me just tell us something. I've been in this space for quite a long time, about 8 or 9 years thereabout. So I've had so many experiences when it comes to airdrop, although I don't do much of airdrop these days. But there is a particular kind of airdrop that you know that they are legit, and I'm not talking about the free type. The free type are also legit, not all. About 95 or 98% of the free ones are fake. Believe me when I tell you they are fake. So but there are some few that are real. You still get something out of it, but majority are fake. The kind of airdrop I love doing is the type that will ask or that require that you commit some amount of fund, either by interacting with their dApps, either by doing 1 or 2 tasks that you either swap or maybe stake on the platform, or things like that. Things that involve you to, that requires you to a kind of commit some amount of money, into that process. So those particular kind of airdrops turns out most of the times to be the real one, and they reward their participants awesomely. Like I remember when Uniswap airdrop happened sometime during the COVID lockdown globally, when there was sit at home, people were not moving, there was everybody was at home, production was not happening. So that was the period the Uniswap airdrop happened, and they didn't made an announcement that okay, they were going to do an airdrop. Okay, so people, I was lucky. I was part of the people that interacted with the dApps that they used for the eligibility of those that they gave out this airdrop. So we were trading on those platforms, and money was involved. So the main thing that we did was that we traded, and we used money in trading. So they picked the people, those that traded on that platform, and they gave out the airdrop to them. I got for 2 wallets for $400 for each of the wallet, because I used 2 different wallets in trading then. So I got that, and that was the biggest airdrop I have ever received during that, in that year alone. So I have been doing others that involve money. You invest, do a little tax on their dApps and all the rest, and it turns out that those that you invest money turns out to be those that reward you awesomely. So the the Optimism quest is not different from this kind. I've seen this before, and I believe that all those that interact with the various dApps here, of which there are several dApps that you interact with on this Optimism quest now. So the Uniswap is here also. If you open it, already I've done a video. I won't be going into detail in this video. It's just a reminder that the quest is still on. You can still participate to get the NFTs and the NFT use cases. I don't know the utility now, but I believe that there will be several utility attached to this NFT. So I've done 5 out of 18, and all the NFT have been sent to me, of which I'll be showing you guys. So as you can see on the screen here, Bridge to Optimism on Stargate, I've done this. It's completed. I've received the NFT. The other one, Discover Price Saving on this pool, is the dApps also. I've done this NFT. I've gotten this NFT as well. Then Swap Token, this one is on Uniswap. I've interacted with the dApps, completed. I've been given this NFT as well. Then I think there's this one is from Velondrum. So I've done this one. Provide liquidity. I've provided liquidity. This NFT have been sent to me as well. So also I've done a task here, provide liquidity as well. These have been sent to me. So this is the NFT. This is my NFT dashboard. So these are all the NFT I've received so far. There are 6 of them. This one came in. Okay, this one, I had this one before. So these are the ones that came in after performing those tasks. Let me broaden the screen so that it will be visible to everyone, not I alone. So these are some of the beautiful NFT I've received from those tasks. I'm just waiting to see the outcome of this quest, and believe me, I just believe there will be a massive airdrop to all those that interact with this quest or that have done this quest. I know this, I've seen this kind of strategy before, although I don't know whether they have made it public, but I don't think, or I don't expect them to make it public. And the reason why many of this kind of airdrop will not be made public is to discourage abuse of it, because when it is made public, people tend to abuse it because there is something to gain from it. So people abuse it, and you see a lot of things being done which will not really end up being in the hands of the majority. Just a few people will get the reward or the incentive. So I just love what Optimism is doing, and I wish you guys would just do a little research and also take part in this quest as it is still on. So I appreciate all your attention, all your support, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get every video I post or I upload on this channel, and turn on the notification if you have not done that. And trade wisely. We'll see in the next video. Bye for now. Thank you.